Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Oh, gosh, that's a big angle. Come on, baby. You can do it. You can do it. Oh, the exhaust is on. Oh, it's almost on the ground.
Almost, huh?
Can we put wood like behind the rear wheel?
Oh, yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
The front's on, so we can do the rest back here now.
Nice. A historic moment. This is gonna be carbon fiber, guys. This is gonna be carbon fiber. Yeah, it's starting to.
Is it still hitting the ground?
No, it's at the same level, but it's not scratching or anything. You should be able to go straight forward from now. I don't see any reason why it would. Yeah, we're good. We're good. It's just a bumper.
Great.
Oh yeah, because it got caught where the wood was.
Rip it off the rest of the way, you know.
We're good. We're good. It's just a bumper.
This is Zoom360 here on the go. Today should be a very good day, a day that I've been waiting for a while so that I could get Suki going with the repairs. So most of the parts are in. So today she's going to the collision shop for, I guess you could say, phase one of the repairs of, since the accident. And yeah, so let's go ahead and make this happen. Just like that, in a split second, we are here at the storage facility. Yeah, after all these days, those days and a couple of weeks where that I had to wait for parts, and finally here, and so that we could get this ball rolling. All right, let's do it.
We are dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. Search but you stay lost. We are reaching for.
All right, so here's the plan. Now, this bumper is too big. I can't put it inside with the other stuff. So the plan is we're gonna drive this car to the place where it's gonna get fixed, and it's not too far from here. So I'm probably gonna have to walk back and drive this other car there with the bumper in it. So I'm gonna get some exercises out of that. So yeah, I just gotta grab a couple of things and we'll be off. So yeah, let's go ahead and make that happen. Now to put Lucille in here, but probably should put I'm gonna go ahead and put this in here already so that I just show up and I just drive off. And the lip stays because it's not gonna be an issue until we go back to Texas. So. You know, it's just amazing how this car is. It looks so small from the outside, but it's actually, I mean, when you think it's too small on the inside, it actually is not. Because when I went to Lexus to pick up the bumper, we thought that there's no way that it's gonna fit inside of this car. But Lucille shocked me the other day where that it actually fits in there. So it turns out all I had to do was just move this forward like that and bring this all the way forward, and of course pop the hatch, remove this, and try to do this with one hand. It's not so simple. There you go. This drops, lift this up and bring it forward, and watch my IS300 bumper fit all the way in. And the first time that I went to get it from Lexus, we thought it's not even worth it to try, but turns out it fits. I mean, there's one big blind spot now, but it'll be okay. And just like that, we are good to go. Well, simple enough, right? So I'm gonna walk back and get the bumper and bring it to the shop. So, all right, let's get it going. Okay, here goes nothing. Hopefully we don't break down en route there. That'll be funny. I don't know, something crazy happen or somebody hits me again. Jeez, Colorado has the worst drivers, man. It's crazy. But let's make this happen. Gosh, I miss this car so much. I really do. I miss this car so much. And just like that, Suki has been dropped off at the collision repair place. So now we're gonna walk back, take the shortest route back to the place. So yeah. Bye, Suki. Get well, buddy. Okay, let's do this though. You know, I have to say that today was the perfect day for me to do this because You know, because because things have been so busy at the job and at work, quote unquote, and you know, with all of the other stuff that I'm doing. So I'm glad that it fell in so nicely today, because I have a day off today. So there's no worry about trying to catch up with stuff from work. So now it's time to get some, you know, some walking on, lose some calories. We are officially halfway there. We are officially halfway there. We just have to go down this road and make a hard left. Whew, we're back. It's a good walk. I think it took me about 10 minutes, maybe less than that to get here. So, whew, but it feels good. So, now we're gonna go back over there and bring the bumper. So, should be interesting. Sweet merciful crap. We need to wash this car. I mean, come on, man. Come on, man. Yes, that's exactly what you think it is. Jeez Louise. This needs to happen like now. All right, sorry. Let's go bring Suki's butt to the collision shop.
Urban women, because they can identify with her to a degree, and she can identify with them, and that's the connection Republicans are going to need in a lot of districts.
This is what I say about this. Never underestimate your turbo veloster. When you think it can't, sometimes it probably can't, but a lot of times, you know, certain things you think it can't do, it will surprise you. Because this thing fits in here snug, just fine. All right, guys, and just like that, she is finally where she needs to be. These guys are backed up though. They don't know when they're gonna start to work on her, but there's something about this place I kind of like this shop. So, and also this is the only shop around here that's given me a fair amount to fix Suki. So there she goes. I love this car. All right, guys, just like that, we are done here. So now I have to go wash this car because it's filthy, and gotta go straighten out the apartment. I got some phone calls to make, some things to write, some things to some things to pay, some investments to invest. So geez Louise, man, a lot of stuff to do, but it's good because it gives me a sense of purpose. So be purposeful. All right, so this is it for now. This is Zoom 360, inviting you to get up, get out, and do it. Like, subscribe, and share. And I'm out.